how to delete your Freetrade account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is sell all of your shares in the portfolio and wait for the trade settlement. That usually takes about 2 business days, 2 or 3 business days. So in there, like I said, simply sell all of your stocks. Simply get through your stocks. Then from there, you can simply tap on sell and sell all of it, or you can even like withdraw cash. Right, so in order to withdraw cash, what you can do is like move all of your cash back to your linked bank account. So you can also do that and just make your account empty. So after doing that, you need to now go through their customer service. For that, you can send them the in-app message, or you can also like email them on hello@freetrade.io in order to request your account closure. So if you want to get through the application, you can simply tap on portfolio. You'll be able to see the helpline on the top right corner. Tap on that one, and then from there you can go along with the conversation, like how you'll be able to delete your account. Then they will give you a prompt. Simply follow that, and like that you'll be able to delete your Freetrade account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.